Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Khalil, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, this channel is about making skincare formulations, DIY recipes, and teaching you about how to get a flawless skin. We also do reviews, which leads us to our video for the day. According to the title, you must have seen or understood what this video is going to be about. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some whitening soaps or some soaps that I like to incorporate into my Molato soap or any pro-mixing soap that I make. Now, our first soap would be our Papaya, K Brothers Papaya soap. That's this soap right here. This soap is very good. It has papaya fruit extract, it has ascorbic acid, it has vitamin C. It's really good for clearing out spots, for giving you an even complexion. So incorporating this soap into your they call it Molato soap, or into your pro mixed whitening soap is a plus. You can also use this soap on your face, and it will give you a very good result without any reactions to it. Another beautiful soap that I like to use is this Avon soap. It's a glutathione comprime. I don't know if that's it. So it's the glutathione comprime soap. This soap is a strong whitening soap. Now, if you want to make, it's also good for the face. The Molato soap also has a face recipe, a recipe that is going to be very mild and good for your face. So this is another soap that I really love. It's the glutathione comprime soap. I don't know if it's showing the reverse because I'm using the reverse camera on my phone, but this is the glutathione comprime soap. It's a strong whitening soap with glutathione in it. Now this also has glutathione, it has glycerin, it has niacinamide, that's vitamin B3, it has collagen, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, and a list of a whole other ingredients that are very beneficial to the skin. Now, this soap I know has another color. I think it has a purple or a pink. I'm going to leave a picture around here if I find it. That too is very good. This glutathione comprime soap is really nice for your pro mixing Molato soap. Now, another soap that you can use for your pro mixing is this Avon soap. I think they are the same company, I guess. I think they are both the same company. So this is the soap. I don't know how it's called, the Tejas June or so. This is the soap. This also helps clear dark spots. It helps with knuckles. It helps with stretch mark, white dots, anti-patch. It has a lot of beneficial properties. I have personally, these soaps that I'm giving you today are soaps that I have tried, and I have found that they are very good. There are some that I would love to show you guys as well, but I don't have them right here, so I'm going to leave pictures of the ones that I don't have. I'm just going to leave a picture so you guys can see. Now, these soaps I have used and are very good, especially when you're making a body polishing Molato soap. The Molato soap, I don't know why it's called Molato soap. It's a whitening soap. It's an extreme whitening soap, but you can also make it in a way that it is mild and very okay for use on the skin. I, for one, I have been using the Molato soap for about 3 weeks, and my skin is beautiful. I haven't had any issues with stretch marks or green veins. So I think it's just basically knowing what you're doing and what ingredients to incorporate into the soap. It's not just to go on YouTube and find out that you can use all these soaps to make your Molato soap, but there are also other ingredients that you can incorporate into your formulation that will give you a very beautiful end result. Now, my Molato soap, I like to call it my Molato skin polishing soap. It is very, very beautiful on the skin. It gives you that very smooth finish. So you definitely want to join our WhatsApp class if you want to learn about the other ingredients that you can incorporate into your Molato soap to give you a good result without any stretch mark, green veins, or black knuckles. So yeah, the Teju Jones soap is one of my favorite to add in my Molato soap. Another soap that this one has the price on it, so let me just take that out. So another soap that I like to incorporate into my Molato soap is this Ashanti carrot soap. I know a lot of you have seen this soap, and I'm very sure you're familiar with it. They have their scrub as well. Sometimes when I want to make my scrub base, I puree this soap and make it as a base and then incorporate their scrub into it. It's very beautiful. Maybe I should do a video on that. I would try to do that as soon as I can. But this soap is very, very nice. It has carrot and it has honey as well. It is very, very beautiful for the skin. It's a Thailand product. So, and you guys know how Thailand products can be. They are very good, very, very good. And this soap will help brighten your skin, give you an even complexion, and it also helps with acne. I'm sorry about that, somebody's sending me a message. It also helps with acne. It helps with wrinkle and aging. It has coconut palm oil in it. It has carrot extract, glutathione, vitamin C, vitamin A, plus alpha hydroxy acids in it. So it's a very good soap to incorporate into your Molato soap. Another one that I have tried and is trusted is this Beauty Fair complexion carrot and avocado extra soap. Oh, that's a mouthful. Is this Easy Tone soap? I'm sorry guys, this is showing on the reverse because I'm using my front camera soap. That's a mouthful, but this soap is also very good because it has ingredients like avocado, carrot. It is very, very moisturizing on the skin. It helps fade dark spot. It moisturizes the skin. That's one of the most important things you want to look out in a soap. You don't want to get soaps that are drying. Why is this hair into my face? You don't want to get soaps that are drying to the skin. So you want something that will cleanse your skin and also give you a more flawless result. Now this soap, they say, according to what they wrote here, they say it enriches, nourishes and solidifies your skin. It tones and removes imperfections, leaves skin feeling smooth and silky. And yes, it does what it says because I have used it and I can testify to that. Sorry, I can testify to that. So another very controversial soap that a lot of people are complaining and saying, oh, it gives green veins, it's not good, and blah 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 blah, is this carrot tone soap. Now this particular carrot tone soap has SPF 10, it has collagen, and it also has collagen. I'm trying to read from the back if I can see other ingredients that were added. But okay, so it has carrot oil, it has collagen, it has glycerin. So it's a good soap. It brightens the skin, it tones the skin. It's also very good. Like I said before, all these soaps incorporated together without properly understanding what you're doing will give you adverse results. So you want to know what you're doing before going into promixing, so you don't end up having green veins, stretch marks, varicose veins, dark knuckles, and just basically getting results that you didn't bargain for. So this is another soap that I like to incorporate into my Molato soap. This is it. And I also love the I'm trying to remove the price tag on the pack because yeah. So I also love this extract carrot. I also love this extract carrot whitening soap. It is also very, very good to incorporate in your Molato soap. So these are like my best whitening soaps that I can use when making my pro-mixed soaps. I add them in my Molato soaps for body, and they have given me very, very good results. Sorry if I keep looking here. I'm using the reverse of my camera, so I end up looking at myself to, you know, a girl needs to see her angles, you know. Don't mind me, please. So yeah, and the final one, the final soap that I also love to incorporate in my Molato soap is the Nature Secrets Argan soap. This one. This is also a very good soap for treatments, for stretch marks. If you are pro-mixing, you need things that will prevent stretch marks, varicose veins, green veins. So you need something like this. And this soap also has an exfoliating benefit. So if you incorporate this into your Molato soap, it will also help exfoliate your skin, give you a flawless result. So you can imagine adding all these soaps with all these benefits and then incorporating this one into it, and you just trust me, you're going to love your skin. So yeah, there are some misconceptions about the Molato soap. So I've had people complain that it's drying, it gives them dark knuckles, brings out green veins and all of that. But I always say that in skincare formulation, anything can work if you know what you're doing. So if you want to learn how you can make these soaps and make good creams that are not drying to the skin, even black soap recipes that are not drying to the skin, you want to learn about your ingredients that you can add to your soaps or your creams that will give you a flawless result, then you want to definitely join our WhatsApp. And my neighbor decided to bang their door today. Right now that I'm doing this video, that's when they decided to bang their door. Anyways, just be calming down. You have to be calming down. Just be calming down. So now I'm calming down. I have to relax. Okay, I've calmed down. So if you want to learn more about ingredients, usage percentage rates, how to calculate your ingredient percentage, the pH of your ingredients that you're supposed to be using, you know, you want to learn how to properly formulate a cosmetic recipe, then you want to definitely join our WhatsApp training that is coming up on the 24th of August. That's this Monday. I'm going to upload this video on Saturday, and my next on Monday is the training. The training starts by 8. The price is 10,000 Nigerian Naira, and you can pay. You can use the link in the description bar to join the group, and then you get all the details of payment and you'll be moved to the training class. There has been an outpour of positive reviews on our previous trainings, and this one promises to be nothing less or nothing short of our previous trainings. I'm going to leave some reviews here for you guys to see, some reviews of our previous trainings and what people had to say about our training. I'm sorry about my dress. It has like an opening down here, and I didn't want like my body to be showing that much, so I had to wear something inside. Don't think that this is my underwear. No, this is just a dress kind of thing that I wore inside, so my whole body doesn't come out on YouTube. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.